History and development of Philippine agriculture. The history of Philippine agriculture can be divided into distinct periods, each leaving a lasting impact on its structure and output. A. Pre-colonial era, subsistence and innovation. Focus, self-sufficiency and ecological balance. Practices. Early Filipinos practiced a mix of shifting cultivation, kainging, utilizing natural cycles, and wet rice agriculture. They developed sophisticated indigenous irrigation systems, such as the Ifugao rice terraces, which used taro and yams before intensive rice, demonstrating a deep connection to land management. Key crops: rice, taro, yams, and root crops. B. Spanish colonial era, export monoculture and exploitation. Shift. The focus moved from self-sufficiency to export-oriented production to supply Spain and European markets. Trade impact. The galleon trade Manila-Acapulco led to the neglect of local food crops in favor of exotic exports. Key crops: tobacco under the royal monopoly, sugar and abaca, Manila hemp. This period established the large hacienda system, concentrating land ownership and creating a tenant farmer class. C. American colonial era and post-war republic, modernization and Green Revolution. Modernization. The U.S. regime introduced some modernization and diversification efforts. Agricultural agencies were created, leading to the establishment of institutions like the International Rice Research Institute, IRRI, in the 1960s. Green Revolution, 1960s to 1970s. This era saw the successful promotion of high-yielding varieties, HYVs, of rice, along with intensive use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. Programs like Masagana 99 briefly made the Philippines a net rice exporter. Downside. While boosting yields, the Green Revolution increased farmer dependence on expensive chemical inputs and external financing, contributing to the current debt and environmental issues. D. Contemporary era, land reform and liberalization. Agrarian reform, CARP. Implementation of land reform led to the fragmentation of land holdings, which, while empowering tenants, hindered the consolidation of farms necessary for large-scale mechanization and efficiency. Policy shifts. The passage of the Agriculture and Fisheries Modernization Act, AFMA,